Well, as urgent cares and emergency rooms continue to see high demand in our area, telehealth medicine remains a convenient alternative for patients looking to see a doctor or nurse quickly.
Natalie Kutchko explains how Rochester Regional Health is utilizing those services at a time when the spread of sickness is significant. Natalie.
Good evening to both of you. At the height of the COVID pandemic and beyond, telemedicine has proven to have grown in popularity where patients can get treated from a distance. Now, health officials say it's being used to offload the more overwhelmed departments in the healthcare system. Where there's a demand to see a specialist during the height of respiratory infections and more, doctors say there's higher demand now to get tested for viruses following the pandemic.
I routinely see adults who have been sent from their work who are looking for RSV testing, and 2 or 3 years ago they had no idea what RSV was, nor did their employer. So, I think there's more of an awareness and just more of a kind of institutionalized demand for more specificity, and people are not going to school or work or a lot of the things they used to do with some of the symptoms and illnesses that they probably used to.
Rochester Regional Health uses Express Care, an app for telemedicine where doctors can meet with patients 2 and older virtually.
We'll see you through a visit, and at that point it's kind of a matter of determining is testing really necessary. The more information that parents and family can bring to the table as far as getting a temperature, getting a heart rate, getting a weight before the visit starts, that's certainly valuable to us, and will just make the visit go a little bit smoother.
Dr. Peterson says virtual visits have helped significantly to alleviate congestion at urgent care facilities and emergency departments.
Express Care is kind of the service that Rochester Regional has that will help to offset some of that. Essentially like an urgent care over your phone.
Dr. Peterson adds a factor for overcrowding in those facilities can be the confusion among symptoms between RSV, the flu, and COVID altogether, as there can be some crossover amongst the 3. Adam, Teresa?
Natalie, thanks. For more information on Rochester Regional Health's services via Express Care, you can visit their website, and that is rochesterregional.org. Again, rochesterregional.org if you want more information.